I didn't ask your opinion for nothing. I just asked you to hold the camera. You're not a cook. I think I'm the cook. Y'all run y'all mouth too much for me.
Your mouth helps me really late. You have to sing with one hand. Yeah.
Chris, I'm gonna pop you dead in your mouth when I come off this camera here. Do you hear me? Matter of fact, come on in here now if I can slap you right now. Come on. I don't play with my grandkids, y'all. I do not play with mine. See, these little kids around here, they live with their mama. And see, their mama, I guess she just let them. Come on in here. Come on. Come on. When they act a fool, I act a fool right with them, y'all. Come here. I don't need to tell me what I didn't have to do. Okay? Okay? I don't play that mess. Now get your little smart mouth butt out of here. Okay, y'all see how that's coming out? Okay. Y'all, YouTube family, I told y'all, when it comes down to my grandkids, I don't play the mess. See, y'all don't know them like I know my grandkids. And for people looking on the outside, oh, she doing this, oh, she doing that. But honey, you don't know, you don't live in my household. You don't know these kids like I do. Child, that tastes pretty good. Getting smart with the mouth. Okay, y'all. I think it need a little more bouillon seasoning in it, though. I can always add a little salt. And that's the mashed potatoes. Put some butter in it. I hear some of y'all now, boy. I guess y'all say, yeah, but don't play. Sure don't. Sure don't, honey. All right, y'all. See how quick that meal was? Mashed potatoes. And mashed potatoes and cube steaks with gravy and onions. And some corn. And that's then. And that's dinner. That's my little spoon holder right there, y'all. Set y'all back up. Because I'm finna fix a plate. Y'all ready to eat? Come on. These children say they ready to eat, y'all, so I'm gonna go and fix their plate. My eyes hurt. Here, put this up. Put this up. Set up. Put that in the sink. Oh boy. Here, put this up there. Confusion. The pot, the top. Here, put this up. There's no more milk. No, you cannot. I just told you that's all the milk we got. Little Chris might want to eat some cereal in the morning. You can't just sit up and drink all the milk.
Everybody might want to eat some cereal.
Well, too bad. And I feel trash all over here on the floor. What did you do? I feel more trash over here than before. I didn't feel nothing, but now I'm stepping on some of everything.
It's really good there. Sugar. Well, I'm trying to sweep it up. You know what?
Did I just tell y'all show out on camera they was gonna see me knock y'all out? That has not always been there.
Trash. And trash.
Now get the trash up right. Y'all.
Feels so good. If it isn't.
These kids of mine, honey, they'll make you hurt them. For real. Y'all sisters know what I'm talking about. And I forget the young lady's name. She left a comment saying, don't let my kids, my grandkids, get on my nerves this bad because they just being kids. And I know they are. I know they being just kids. I know they are. But sometimes you got to put kids in their place, even when they're kids.
I'm trying to be smart. Like, that sugar has been there.
You have to put kids in their place. And with this one here, she thinks she got to always have the last word. If anybody gonna have the last word, honey, it's gonna be me. Right? I'm the one that's gonna have the last word, not my grandkids. I don't play that mess. They got to always have the last word and think of their last word is gospel. No, honey, what I say is gospel. And I told them 50,000 times, you come on this camera acting a fool if you want to, you gonna get hurt. This is the real Montgomery show, y'all. This is the real family. See, I'm not putting on airs. I'm not putting on. This is real. This is real. What you see here. And I think most people want to see the real show, the real family. You know. And God bless all those families that can get along and get on camera and act like they got some sense. God bless you, and I love you to death because I love watching your channel. But this family here, you can't do that with them, y'all. You got to get all up in their grill, honey. And for my ethnic family group from all over the world, I hope y'all can understand what I'm saying, okay? All right, I'm going to bring y'all on over here if I can fix these kids, they plate. Put the camera right here.
Okay, maybe I should get out of there so I don't die.
Let's see, can y'all see?
I'll take some of this.
Okay.
And then
All right. Yeah, honey, we eating all the paper plates. Paper plates. I got real plates, but these girls, honey, they lazy. They don't like washing dishes.
give me, I'm right here.
And I'm not finna cook the meal and wash the dishes too. Even though I do that, I don't want y'all to think I don't cook and clean up my own kitchen, because I do. But when you got girls that's 14 years old and 11 years old, no baby, I'm not raising no heathen kids. I'm not raising no trifling girls. No, they gonna clean up the kitchen. If I cook, they gonna clean up the kitchen. That's where they're supposed to go. See, the way I was brought up, if my mother cooked the dinner, honey, her teenage daughters cleaned up the kitchen. That's the way I was raised. My mother didn't, and she can clean up her own kitchen if she wanted to, if she felt like it. But when you got teenage kids in the house, my mother didn't. Child, please. Mama gonna cook dinner and clean up the kitchen? She could if she wanted to. Here, hold this. Hold this camera. Hold this camera down here. Look through it. Come on over here with these plates. Can you see it?
Yes.
All right, y'all. This is Miss Daria's plate. And this is Little Chris' plate. They don't like all the gravy and stuff, but I do. You got this over here? Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay. I do.
Professional.
Yeah, you're a professional, all right.
Yes. Yeah. There's my tray.
Take this out of here. You're getting ready to eat.
I'm trying to watch YouTube.
You ain't finna watch YouTube. You get ready to eat your dinner.
I always do.
Okay. See how she got to say something smart? And that's why I pop her. That's why I pop her in the mouth. I just said you're not having it in here, and that should have been the end of it. Point blank in the period. You're not having it in here. Don't come telling me what you always do. Alright, y'all. So that concludes this video. Let me get off this camera, child, before I have to actually y'all see me jump on these little kids. And I'm trying to keep them from calling them heathens. Say your grace. Here, watch y'all. Let y'all watch these kids. Diana, you ready to eat? And come on in here.
Come on in here. Give me a mop.
Where's the other cup like this?
I don't know.
In there, probably.
Go get it.
She plays that now? I forgot how many characters you can be on that thing.
I'll tell you.
Good.
I mean, it's swimming.
It's good.
It is.
Good but hot.
Hi.
Things are different, like the duck hunt dog and other stuff. That's pretty much it. So, as you can probably tell, we're post-beating this. It took so many tries to beat this, but we're going to tell you a little about it. This part, Princess Peach actually
Now, do you taste the onions in that?
No.
And then I get over here. There's a couple
Thank
times
you.
you'll see Danielle bubbles. That's actually just to kind of save time. And I kind of run through a lot of this. We tried to do this.
Alright, y'all. I'm fixing my plate now.
And I wanted to beat this two-player. That's how we played the game, after all. So I wanted to do champions for two people. And it's hard enough with one person to try to get through this thing. It's insane. Look at these. There's no checkpoints. There's vanishing blocks. There's all this crazy stuff you guys are gonna see.
I
This
wanna
part,
see it.
I throw Danielle up there. Sometimes I'll wall jump and be able to get up there myself. But that's how I just fell and died. So luckily Danielle got up there. And we used a few times where we saved the other person.
Now, this is my plate. And I put way too much food on that plate. No doggone well, I can't eat all that food. But that's my plate right there, y'all. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get off. So that concludes the meal for the Montgomery family. Today is Tuesday evening. What time is it, y'all? It's 5:18. It's 5:18. So thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to all of my viewers. Thank you guys for hanging out with the Montgomery Family channel. And if this video was a little upsetting because I was yelling at my grandkids, I apologize for that. Just being a grandma. That's it. Just being a grandma. So until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. So I don't know for sure what I'm going to cook. But by it raining so much outside, I can't really go outside and do the tour of St. Louis. I'm not going to be walking in the rain. Yeah. So I'll probably end up doing another cooking video tomorrow. Okay. So until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Can you see me?
I need you to use it.
Okay. Yeah. I'll see you on the next vlog. All right. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Okay, guys. I'll see you next time. Okay. Love you. Bye.